Hi, I'm Jacob. This is a guide to using Guestbook Go. It's an app for iPad that I made that is used to record video messages on weddings or other special occasions. And you might ask yourself, why do you want a dedicated app for this? Well, you want a dedicated app so that the app is always on and that it is locked to the app. So guests can't press the home button or power button and to leave the app. Plus, this app has messages that encourages your guests to leave a video message. So first thing we do is to get the app on the App Store. So let's go into the App Store and search for the app if you haven't already downloaded it. Guestbook Go. And there's the app. So after we've downloaded the app, we just open the app, and of course a welcome message. And the important thing here is that it uses guided access mode, which is a key feature for making this app work as intended. So we just press get started, and of course we have to grant access to the camera, the microphone, and the photo library for this app to work. It saves videos to your photo library. It doesn't read anything from the photo library. So press grant access to the camera, to the microphone, and to the photo library. And now the app is ready to go. So this is the basic function of the app. It just has a go button. If I press go here, it starts recording, and when I press stop, it stops recording. So that's what your guests are going to do. Now if they forget to press the stop button, it's going to time out at about a minute, and the guests can choose to cancel that timeout. But so we're going to press stop, and it displays a thank you message. After about a minute, if it's been idle for a minute, it displays an idle message for guests to be encouraged to leave a message. Let's go into settings here. That's why it's blinking red. It wants you to set up your titles. And so you can change the title, subtitle, and those idle screen messages 1 and 2, which means you can have either 2 different messages or the same message in different languages. And this app supports any language because this is all the text that's used in the app, so you can just change it to any language. So let's just change the title here to maybe Party of the Year. Party of the Year. And subtitle, we can just cancel that out. We don't need a subtitle perhaps. And press done. So, Party of the Year. And you might have seen that there were some different themes there. Press settings again. We have a rose theme with a different font. And we have a basic theme, which is a little stronger font. And of course a vivid theme, more like maybe appropriate for kids' parties or something. Let's go with a basic theme. The first thing we need to do now before we can use the app is to go into settings and enable guided access mode, or guided access. So we exit the app and then go into the main settings of the iPad. So it's this button here. And when we go down to the General tab, that's usually the one that's active, you will find something called Accessibility. So go into there, and here you will find at the bottom, you will see Guided Access. And of course this is used for learning so that the app can be locked to certain apps. And so we go in here and we just enable Guided Access. Now to enable this and to disable this, you need your passcode or Touch ID or Face ID. So for the purpose of this, we can just set up a passcode here. Now it's enabled, but we also need to go down to Mirror Display Auto Lock and make sure that this is enabled. So press that so it gets to green. If you don't do that, then guided access will time out. Well, the device will go down for after about 20 minutes, it will go down to idle mode. And now you're ready. So you can exit settings and go back into your Guestbook Go app. And you see that the idle screen is displaying now because we haven't touched any buttons in the app. So this is what the idle screen looks like. It alternates between the first and the second message, which can be different languages. So this is what it looks like for guests. And so when they just touch the iPad, it's ready to record. And so to enable guided access mode, you just triple tap, 1, 2, 3, guided access started. And now the home button and the help button are gone. And I can't click the power button. I can't click the home button because it says guided access mode enabled. And so to exit guided access mode when we're finished with the party or the wedding, we just triple tap the home button again and we're asked to enter the passcode. We can skip that. So this is the mode. You just press go. Hi, I just wanted to say what an awesome party, and it's been so much fun, and I hope you have a good, well, good luck, I guess. So just press stop. And well, that's pretty much it. So now I can leave guided access mode. This is what it looks like. You press end up at the top left there. And now you're back to, you can access settings or help. And you can press the home button to get into the photo library where you will find all those videos in the camera roll. So when you set up, so when you have your occasion, you'll want to have maybe an iPad case that has a built-in stand, or you might arrange something else so that the iPad is set at a good angle for your guests to just tap and go. You'll want the brightness to be pretty bright on the iPad, and you will probably want, if you don't have a fully charged iPad, make sure you have it plugged in if you can, so the battery doesn't run dry. And that's pretty much it. So good luck, and please leave any comments on this clip with your experiences, and if you have any suggestions or if something's not working. So yeah, take care. Bye.